kids, good morning. My name is Funn. Welcome to my channel Junior English Fun. दोस्तों आज की वीडियो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाली है क्योंकि आज का टॉपिक है 20 इंग्लिश वर्ड 5 सेंटेंसेस फॉर ईच। दोस्तों वीडियो को लास्ट तक जरूर देखना। अब मैं ले चलता हूँ आपको अपने प्रोजेक्टर की स्क्रीन पे। तो मैं आ गया अपनी स्क्रीन पर। In today's video we will learn 20 English words, 5 easy sentences for each. First word is dream. First sentence is I sleep and see dreams. I have a happy dream. Dreams come at night. I like good dreams. Dreams make me smile. Next word is game. I play a game. The game is fun. I like outdoor games. Games make me happy. I play games daily. Next word is sun. I see the sun. The sun gives us light. I like the sun. The sun rises in the morning. The sun is useful for us. Next word is cat. I see the cat. The cat drinks milk. I like the cat. The cat is nice. The cat is small. Next word is water. I see the water. The water is good. Water is important for us. Water is useful for us. Water is needed every day. Next word is dog. The dog runs fast. The dog barks loudly. I like the dog. The dog plays with me. The dog is friendly. Next word is apple. Apple is good for health. The apple is sweet. I like the apple. My mother gives me an apple. The apple is red. Next word is flower. I see the flower. The flower is good. I like the flower. The flower is nice. The flower is useful. The next word is tree. The tree is tall and green. Trees give us shade. Trees give us fresh air. Birds live on trees. We should save trees. The next word is bird. The bird can fly in the sky. Birds have wings. I like the bird. Birds live in a nest. The bird sings sweetly. The next word is home. My home is clean and nice. The home is good. I like the home. I live with my family at home. I love my home very much. The next word is school. I see the school. I go to school every day. My school is big and clean. Teachers teach us at school. I learn new things in school. The next word is mother. My mother loves me. The mother is good. My mother cooks food for me. My mother is care for me. I love my mother very much. The next word is father. My father works hard. My father helps me study. I love my father very much. My father plays with me. I love my father very much. The next word is friend. I play with my friend. The friend is good. I like the friend. Friends share things. I like my friends. I drink milk every day. The milk is good. I like the milk. Milk makes our bones strong. My mother gives me milk. The next word is book. The book is interesting. Books help us learn. I like the storybooks. The book is on the table. The book is useful. The next word is ball. I play with a ball. I throw the ball. I like the ball. The ball is fun to play with. The ball is round. The next word is food. Food gives us energy. We should not waste food. We need food every day. Healthy food keeps us fit. We should eat fresh food. The next word is moon. I see the moon. The moon shines at night. We see the moon in the sky. The moon gives us light at night. The moon looks beautiful. Thank you friends. If you like this video, so like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you soon in the next video. Bye bye friends.